So this is the Dyson V8, and this is the iron that I got off the Dyson website. I'm just kind of doing some basic cleaning up here, dog hair. Unlike some other review places online that grind like 3 pounds of cereal into a carpet to see what percentage it'll pick up of cereal. I'm just doing like normal weekly maintenance on the floors, you know, picking up dog hair and whatever stuff is falling off of our shoes. As you can see, it's very, very quiet. You can have conversation over it. If I turn it up to, this little switch up to high, it's a little bit louder. And when you do that, the battery life drops significantly. But you do get a little bit more suction. I don't need that right now, so I'm just going to use the normal mode. So basically, that's my dog Mac there. I'm just cleaning up after him. He sheds a little bit this time of year. And it does a good job. If you buy it off the Dyson website, you get, they call it the iron. Basically, it's the animal plus all the other attachments. It comes with 3 motorized heads. And one thing that I do like about this a lot, just a quick note here, is how you can just turn your wrist and you can get pretty much anywhere and the head stays flat on the ground. So if I want to go over here behind my speakers and get nice and tight in there, it does that really easily. It's great. It's kind of like the old Dyson ball, the corded one. It does a good job. If you run it on low, I can do my whole house, which is 2 floors, and most of it's hardwood, or not hardwood, but whatever this is, linoleum. Just enough to, get it clean so I can run the Swiffer over it real fast if there's something sticky on the floor, some mud. The carpeted attachment does run it down a teeny bit faster, but it's not bad at all. And then there's another attachment you can use, which I'll show you here in a minute. I got this pretty good here. This is carpet, the dog shoot up. Hey! Alright. So I'm just going to switch this out here for a different attachment. And so, like I said, if you buy this, the best deal online right now is on their website. You get the motorized head that's on it, which is meant for hard floors, the carpet head, and then this guy, which is meant for like couches, upholstery, and then you get like a ton of other attachments you can use for stuff. I'm going to switch over here right now to the carpet attachment so you can see that work. I actually already vacuumed, but you can get an idea for how loud it is and all that. So a little bit louder. And then same thing, just switch it to high. And it doesn't turn up the beater speed, it just turns up the suction. Anyways, I'll show you some other stuff on this. Let me disconnect that. Okay. So basically, this filter, and they're all washable. They all have instructions on how to wash them. This is the final air filter there. And then to empty it, I'll show you this other filter here. This is the other filter. You can just pull it straight out, and if it gets, you can blow it out with air or wash it in the sink. To empty this thing, you just take it over to the trash can. This is something they improved on the V8 over the V7 that a lot of people like. Let's see if I can figure out how to hold this. You're just gonna pull up on this red tab here. Oops. Okay, and when you pull up on the red tab, the bottom pops open. And the reason why people like this is because when it pulls up, it scrapes off. It scrapes off this filter here. And then to close it, you just push this down and then push on this lid. And it's closed and good to go. Then you can put one of those short attachments on and do the car, however you want to do it. And then, like I said, if you buy it off their website, which a lot of people, or a lot of places say is the best place to buy it right now, then you get the dock included with it, which just clicks on and hangs like that. And right now I have all the attachments off of it, but that's how it hangs on there. So before I made this video, I had been vacuuming for about 15 minutes. And you can see we're down, it was probably down to about 1, but even though both lights were lit up when I was vacuuming. And now it'll probably take about 2 hours to fully charge again. If you run it on high at all, on the max mode, then your battery life is like 8 minutes. 7 to 8 minutes, it runs out really fast. So only use that if you have a really bad mess. This also, just a quick note, it is motorized. It's not like some other vacuums where it's powered by suction. All 3 heads are motorized. They have a motor in the head. And this does a great job in cars, getting hair off the couch, whatever you might use it for. So that's my little review of the Dyson V8. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks.